The program to find total number of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, blank space, and special character from the given file. First, we are going to add some libraries which are hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include ctype. Ctype is a standard C library header that provides function for character classification and conversion, such as is upper, is lower, is space, and is alpha. Void main, clear screen and get ch. Let's put here downside. First we are going to declare some variables in our file pointer file, character, file name of 100 string, character ch, int up means uppercase equal to 0, lw means lowercase equal to 0, sp space equal to 0, and special equal to 0. Special stand for alphabets. Printf, enter the file name. Scanf, percentage s, file name, file equal to fopen, file name, comma r, because we are going to read the file, that's why we choose r more. If file equal to null, printf error, unable to open file, while ch means character equal to fgetc file. I have taught you about how this line works, so you can visit my previous video from clicking this eye icon. If is upper is ch, is upper ch in C is used to check whether given character ch is uppercase letter or not. The character is uppercase letter, then up plus plus means uppercase plus plus, else if is lower ch, if character is in lowercase, lw plus plus, else if is space ch, if space, if there is any space, then space sp plus plus, else if Isnum ch Isnum ch checks whether given character is alphanumeric or not. Means a letter A to Z or a digit 0 to 9. Special plus plus display result in a file. Printf total uppercase letters percentage D UP means uppercase. Printf total lowercase letter percentage D slash N LW to give the data new line. Printf total blank space percentage D space SP. Printf total special character percentage D comma special. Here we have to put this curly bracket in here. Control F9. Enter the file name student.txt which I have made in my previous video. To compare the data